I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your bullish bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, the easiest place to shop and get all of your needs met with Bitcoin and Lightning transactions. You can head over here. They've got gift cards from Amazon, Walmart, Steam, Uber, Instacart, Airbnb, Apple. The list goes on, but they have you covered. You can be living on a Bitcoin standard like me, and Bitrefill has been a godsend. So head to bitrefill.com and use code BTC Sessions at checkout for discounts. Bitcoiners are notoriously bad at being able to be concise and not cramming too much shit into an initial conversation with somebody. And you even allude to it in your when you're talking about like this is kind of the process of like how we go to people and say like, hey, do you want to accept payments this way? Here's the benefits, and you just kind of lay it out quickly. And then at one point you said, at this point, if they express interest, or they say, yeah, let's do it, you now have to shut up because people don't like, if you start saying more and being like, and then you can run a node and then you can do this, they're going to be like, holy shit, no, this is too much now. Like they've already said yes. What the fuck are you doing? Just let them and just take them through the simple process of getting them started out the gate, and then you're done. And then you can build on it from there when they get curious. But like, take the W and get the fuck out the door so that people can like, so that you've actually got the W and it doesn't turn into an L. And I think it's so important to have that mentality of like this. I myself did not even gain interest in Bitcoin in a single day when somebody mentioned it. It was a long process of first getting interested in it, and then second, actually learning about it. And I didn't have somebody with a fire hose to my mouth. I took it in bites, and you need to realize that the goal of like getting somebody to do something perfect on day one, well, I can respect people being like, it would be better if it was this way. The reality is that people will learn in bits and pieces. Not everyone will get to like whatever people envision as the perfect Bitcoiner, but you can lead them down that path, and they're likely to go further down the path if you pace it in a way where it's digestible. But if you do too much too quick, they're going to stop at the foot of the path and go no further.